Welcome to Nature's Pearls. Today, let us watch a beautiful butterfly that inhabits tropical and subtropical Asia, namely Common Lascar. The wings of this butterfly are characterized by orange and black coloration. Wow, this wonderful butterfly visits my home garden, and after landing on the leaf, it slowly moves through the leaf lamina and finally reaches the tip of the leaf. That was a superb view. Look at the tip region it sits. They open their wings fully while perching. The host plants of this butterfly are Dalbergia and Archidendron. It belongs to class Insecta, order Lepidoptera and family Nymphalidae, and its scientific name is Pantoporia hordonia. Amazingly, it flies down to the floor so that it gives a close view. Look, very wonderful. Very slow and jerky movements can be visible. It spread its wings. Brilliant coloration. In Malayalam, we call them Narivarayan. You can see its head, thorax and abdomen, beautiful antennae. So it continuously opening and closing the wings. The thorax have a green band look. Underneath the wing have pale orange markings. The tip of the antennae also have this orange coloration. Look closely, you will get the view. Very attractive one to watch. The hind wing sides have a thick band of black color which is narrow in the forewing. The adults are weak flyers but are rather alert and would quickly ascend to the tree top when alarmed. Very gentle movements. The caterpillar feeds on lamina of leaf eaten from tip, leaving the midrib uneaten. That was a peculiar characteristic of these caterpillars of this species. So the mouth pods also you are getting a closer view. So it treated me as a friend, I think. That is why not disturbed by my presence. Butterfly wing is actually a thin layer of chitin, a hard semi-transparent substance covered by thousands of tiny scales. So the happiness it spreads around, I cannot explain in mere words. I am so lucky to get such a wonderful chance to observe this nature's beauty queue. Look, both dorsal and ventral views it is showing. They are not just attractive to watch but are critical indicators of a healthy ecosystem. They are important pollinators to most agricultural crops and are the important elements of food chain. Each species has various behavioral and structural adaptations that allow them to survive in their environment. Hope you enjoyed the beauty of common Lascar butterfly and also understood the biological name and was informative to you. They are aesthetically pleasing and contribute to thriving ecosystems. Please share the video. Thank you all dears for watching.